Wala pa rin bumibili? Meron ka bang hundreds? Or maybe you have thousands of followers on Facebook, on Instagram. Pero bakit walang bumibili sa'yo? Your post is done every day. You share your products. You even do live selling. Pero ang sales, kulang pa rin. Anak, let me tell you about Mark and Angel. Sila ay isang couple selling motorcycle helmets and accessories online. Meron silang 5,000 followers and Mark would say, okay na to. Marami na to. Pero, when they post their new helmet designs or riding gloves, konti lang ang nag-e-engage. And, mas konti na yung bumibili. So, si Angel, she felt very frustrated. Sabi niya, bakit ganito, Mami N? May followers naman kami, pero parang wala rin. You see, anak, the problem is not our product. The problem is that we don't own our audience. Social media owns them. Algorithms decide who sees our posts. Kaya one day, poof, pwedeng mawala lahat ng yan. Ang saklap, di ba? Kaya good thing Mark and Angel discovered something that's life-changing, and that is email marketing. Kaya they started building their email list. Simple lang. And they offered a free 5 tips for safe riding guide in exchange for the email addresses. Slowly, yung kanilang listahan nag-grow. 50 riders, tapos naging 150, naging 600. And you know what happened next? Mark sent one email about their newly arrived full-face helmets with a limited time discount, and within 72 hours, they made 145,000 pesos in sales. Why? Because this time, they own the connection. Hindi na sila umaasa sa algorithm. Hindi na sila nag-aantay kung sino ang makakita ng post nila. Their customers went straight into their inbox, directly, personally, consistently. Anak, kung pagod ka na bang mag-post ng mag-post pero walang nangyayari, ang daming business owners successful nga sa social media pero hindi nila alam na may mas powerful pang way para makapag-connect diretso sa customers nila. Hindi natin kailangan ng libo-libong followers para kumita. What we need is a system. Yung direkta lang na makaka-connect sa atin yung mga taong interesado sa atin. That's why I highly recommend you learn email marketing from Coach Alan Mo because he teaches simple, practical, walang arte, just results. Check out this free webinar sa baba. Si Mark and Angel now send 2 to 3 emails a week. They share riding tips, helmet care guides, new arrivals, and yes, they sell also. Their email list became their most valuable assets. Hindi sila nalulugmok sa algorithm. Hindi sila nag-aalala kung mawawala ang reach nila because they built something that they own. Remember, anak, followers fade, pero ang email list mo, that's yours forever. Build it, nurture it, grow with it. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.